It's time to get busy, huh? Banshee 350 on them boys like I'm Drizzy, huh? Or let them.
What is up, YouTube? If you could tell, you know where I'm at. Got some little things going on today, man. Boy, this thing always give me hit. Know y'all gotta get the famous pull up. Yeah, I parked in Ford today. I got tired of fucking hassling. But you know what it is, man. Get busy, gang, man. Today I am linking up with my little bro D Welch, man. He gonna be putting my my tail lights and look, I can walk through here now. And my headlights in. Hopefully get everything situated. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna get this thing started. Damn, I just ran into the wall. Get this thing situated and started, let it run a little bit. But let me show y'all what I got real quick. Hope y'all can see me. Look, got my tail lights and I got my headlights. If y'all new to the channel, y'all missed this when I had got these. I ordered these a while back. Yep, I got the aftermarket headlight joint, aftermarket tail light joint. So yeah, he told me he like 20 minutes out, so I came here to get everything situated so he ain't gotta have too much to do. I went to AutoZone, I bought some headlights, tail lights, and signal lights, man, just so he ain't even gotta worry about it no more, taking the old ones out. So be right back with y'all. I ain't gonna say that. I'm finna give y'all what they call it, a cold start for the Mopars. Hold on. Only real body work is this. That's it. What's up, gang? I'm back, man. Got a special person, man. One of my young boys. Definitely cold with it. What's good with it, bro?
Chilling. Shit, trying to get this right.
Boy D Welch, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe, man. Show some love. Bro, you want to tell them what you do? What all you do?
I do car wraps, car customization, do lights, shit, pretty much anything. I'm trying to get my hands into everything though. 10 is next. And shit, I got a car build coming this weekend. I'm gonna show y'all.
Facts.
So
make sure y'all tune in, man. Tune in to my boy. Definitely out here trying to get it, man. So go ahead and get this situated, man. Y'all know how I go. I got both headlights and tail lights, man. You know what I'm saying? I know it ain't easy, so we finna get it together. You know what I'm saying? We gotta work together with this one. But I'll be right back with y'all, man, the rest of the video. I don't know if y'all watched some of my recent videos, but if y'all remember, I bought one of these before. I don't know where it went, but somebody got it. Somebody got it. And if you got it and you're watching this video, please return it. No, I'm just joking, but somebody took my air pump. I bought one before I went and got anything done to the car. I don't know where the hell it went. He'd be like, don't go back to the storage unit, my boy D Welch, man. Get these lights together, man. Headlights and tail lights together. I'll be right back with y'all. I don't know if some of y'all watched my last video, but I'm a strong believer if you speak things into existence, because I said I'm trying to get a lot done before I go to Nick. And when I say I'm trying to get a lot done before I go to Nick, I'm trying to get a lot done before I go to Nick. So, gotta work with me with it, man. Gotta work with me. But I got some good news. Let's go work with me. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm talking. That's why I'm talking about this right now. Cause I got some good news, and I'm not gonna tell y'all what the good news is. I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm not gonna say tomorrow's video because I don't know when I'm dropping this one because I still gotta drop another one. But in the next couple videos, they'll be like, damn, this nigga's got that shit done fast as fuck. Excuse my language for the kids that's watching. But yeah, I'm finna pick up some, I'm in a good mood. I'm finna pick up me some gift cards, man. I'm finna get some gift cards, man. I got to. I feel like with the support of everybody, fix this camera. With the support that I get from everybody and the good feedback that I get from everybody, man, I feel like I gotta bless when I'm being blessed. So be looking out for them new gift cards, man. I used the last one in my last vlog. I hope whoever it won, if you won that last vlog, say something so I can give you a shout out, man. Let me know that you really supporting me and what I do. But I just pulled back up to the storage unit, get this tire pumped up and get back to work. Be right back with y'all. Right back. Okay, we making progress now. Got one thing going right here. Bro got this symbol. Now you on this one. Get this thing together, man. I don't know why this tire keep going on flat though. That damn bitch down off the rim. I'm about to get that checked out. We working, man. We working. I'm gonna say this again. Go subscribe to my boy D Welch, man. YouTube. This Facebook too? YouTube, Facebook, your Instagram?
Yeah, I got the Instagram on. I just did a rap Instagram. It's Welch Raps. It's Welch, WELCH_raps, WRAPZ. Check that out, man. Hit the line.
My boy do raps, installments, anything you need done, he got you, man. I'm finna try. It's cold, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We finna try to get this tire pumped up and make it in there.
Hey, slime. No cap, nigga. Odie, what up?
Tiny, this bitch the one, dummy.
I got D9 in this bitch with me. Phone on the phone, loud as hell. Talking to these hoes, they playing with these bitches. Hey, what? Backseat flaming the eye. I just put grams in the wood. I did. Is it exotic or not? What is if it ain't flaming the wood? I can't. You say you gon' spin through this block. I'm wishing that little nigga would. He gon' get hit with the Glock and put it in the box just like he should. Okay. I got my blick, bitch. If I wave, but you getting stitches. Hey. I spin on your block, ain't nobody gon' live but the kids and the bitches. Hey. You ain't no shit for real. You don't do his for real. You ain't no shit for real. You don't do his for real. You can try to play me up close, but I promise this ain't what you looking for. You know that I'm pressure, I pop me a Tesla and I run this bitch like the Super Bowl. Hey, he wants to smoke, he a stupid guy. I got your bitch looking like who am I? I don't do the back and forth all on the internet. You can go pick you a suit and tie. Phone them be tripping, they tell me quit dissing, cause these niggas ain't on my level yet. I know that I killed them, buried them, dead. I just ain't give me a shovel yet. I'm at the top of my A game. You at the top of the bench watching. I turn heads, I been popping since 9-1 like Dennis Rodman. Glock 9 on my waistline. Face shot, that's FaceTime. I eat grapes from a grapevine and I stand tall like I'm 8'9". Check the score, we been winning. VVS's keep me grinning. Big step, I don't need Timberlands. Gang. Backseat flaming the eye. I just put grams in the wood. I did. Is it exotic or not? What is if it ain't flaming the wood? I can't. You say you gon' spin through this block. I'm wishing that little nigga would. He gon' get hit with the Glock and put it in the box just like he should. Gang. I got my blick, bitch. If I wave, but you getting stitches. I spin on your block, ain't nobody gon' live but the kids and the bitches.
Yeah. As y'all can see, we making some progress, man. He just got the turn signals on, and I am finna. My high beam's blue. That's why I couldn't see when I was coming back from Diego's. But I'm finna go to AutoZone, get some black tape, get some high beams, come back, do it again, man. Good thing I got that $20 free cash $20 from AutoZone. I ain't gotta pay for nothing. Yeah, little bro, official, man. If y'all wanna watch the full video on how these got done, subscribe to D Welch, man. That's your channel. Ain't that the channel, right?
Yep, it's D Welch.
D Welch, man. Subscribe to him, man. Go check the whole full video out. Definitely got him in. Had to put a little arm work in it, but it got there.
I spent on your block, ain't nobody gon' live but the kids and the bitches. You ain't no shit for real. You don't do his for real. You ain't no shit for real. You don't do his for real. You can try play me up close, but I promise this ain't what you looking for. You know that I'm pressure, I pop me a Tesla and I run this bitch like the Super Bowl. Hey, he wants to smoke, he a stupid guy. I got your bitch looking like who am I? I don't do the back and forth all on the internet. You can go pick you a suit and tie. Phone them be tripping, they tell me quit dissing, cause these niggas ain't on my level yet. I know that I killed them, buried them, dead. I just ain't give me a shovel yet. I'm at the top of my A game. You at the top of the bench watching. I turn heads, I been popping since 9-1 like Dennis Rodman. Glock 9 on my waistline. Face shot, that's FaceTime. I eat grapes from a grapevine and I stand tall like I'm 8'9". Check the score, we been winning. VVS's keep me grinning. Big step, I don't need Timberlands. Backseat flaming the eye. I just put grams in the wood. I did. Is it exotic or not? What is if it ain't flaming the wood? I can't. He say he gon' spin through this block. I'm wishing that little nigga would. He gon' get hit with the Glock and put it in the box just like he should. I got my blick, bitch. If I wave it, you getting stitches. I spin on your block, ain't nobody gon' live but the kids and the bitches. You ain't no shit for real. You don't do his for real. You ain't no shit for real. You don't do his for real. I only fuck with the realest. You niggas pussy and all that. She got my number and got blocked. Once I get that pussy, don't call back. I'm in the trenches with hitters. And I'm on step with the steppers. If it ain't no 50s on none of them glizzies, it really ain't shit you can tell us. They on my dick in the back. These niggas jealous and sick. Bitch, what the fuck is Corona? To a nigga that's already sick. G23 with a stick. Spent through your blood, leave it lit. She told me I'm ugly, she just wanna fuck me cause I went and flooded my six. Nigga, we poppin', you know it. You gon' catch a shot if I throw it. How the fuck is you ballin'? You niggas ain't ballin'. You supposed to say that when you scoring. Pop the groovy, it feel like a movie. Matter of fact, bitch, I feel like the man. I don't fuck with the work, but I bet you my brother gon' stretch it as far as he can. Backseat flaming the eye. I just put grams in the wood. I did. Is it exotic or not? If it ain't flaming the wood. I can't. He say he gon' spin through this block.
If you made it through this whole video, man, click the like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click the post notification buttons, man. Turn them on all if you can. Hit that bell. You know how I go, man. But I also want y'all to go subscribe to my boy D Welch. D Welch is his YouTube. Little bro, actually, like, he doing good, man. He do raps. I think he said he's finna start 10. He do, as y'all see, doing installments on lights. He do a lot, man, and I'm glad I could be able to help. You know what I'm saying? Cause I see him grinding. You know what I'm saying? I see him grinding. He grinding like I'm grinding. We on the same level. Like we ain't got the millions of followers or nothing like that, but we still helping each other. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm on. Like, I don't care how big you is, how small you is, man. If we can help each other get to where we need to go, that's what I'm gonna do. But with that being said, man, I'm back with y'all another video, man.